Hello everyone, I'm back. We turned out that we only had a 10-minute limit on the video, so I'm going to make this a part 2. So it's going to be a very short part 2 as we're going to continue off what we got at, but as we mentioned in part 1, we finished off on test get city names. So we're going to be testing get city names by doing for the number of cities in Ohio. We're going to test the get zip codes and states in Ohio. And then we're also going to test zip codes that are within the 10 from 45050, and then rank the list of states by number of zip codes. And then lastly, the city names in most states. And then we're going to finish off with done. So to show that this works, we're going to go ahead and run this code. And as you can see here in the terminal, and it is going to all show out correct. We had the given code that we're going to match up with, and these all end up matching. As it comes out 62, 4,000 or 40,243. Then we have the states that contain city named Oxford all listed out here. We have the number of city names in Ohio, 2005. The number of unique city names in Ohio and Kentucky, 3,689. The states that contain city names Oxford or Trenton, and then we have the list for that. We have the number of common city names in Ohio and Kentucky, and that's 220. The cities in zip code 45040, and we have the list here. We have zip codes in Oxford, Ohio, which is 45056. The number of zip codes in Cincinnati, Ohio, which is 72. We have get zip count, and for 501 we have 2. For 45040, 1. 10001 we have 6. Test get state count. Ohio appears in 2,688 in the list. Kentucky, or KY, appears 2,146 in the list. So testing get number of zip codes for each state. Number of zip codes in Ohio are 1,447. Number of zip codes in Kentucky, or KY, 962. And then we're going to test get city names. The number of cities names in Ohio, we have 2,005. Then we're going to test get zip codes in states. And the number of zip codes in Ohio are OH, 1,447. The zip codes that are within a 10 from 45050, we have the list here. The ranked list of states by the number of zip codes, we have that list here ranked. And then lastly, the city names in most states is Franklin. And then we're going to finish off with done. Alright, so with all that being said, testing shows correct, it is working. I hope that me going through this code, going through each of the classes and methods, kind of just explaining what all of the methods, just trying to get down what they do. I hope it helped you understand, and thank you.